Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make detox green tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Keep the flame in medium till the end. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 bag of daily detox green tea. Let this boil for 2 minutes. This green tea is very high in antioxidants, protects your liver, boosts brain function, prevents from cancer, promotes heart health, helps to weight loss, and it's very easy to prepare. The essence of the ingredients is nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this detox green tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Now off the flame and finally remove the tea bag. Now to this add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon also helps in weight loss. Now a healthy detox green tea is ready. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this detox green tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.